So we need to go. We're going that way. Right, let's put my hood up. And then put my head torch on. I do want to put a hat on, but the thing is, right, let's get my head torch cinched down a bit better, and then put this up, cinch this across, and then I should have some tabs there, cinch that in. Put it under my chin because I'm just going to breathe into the fabric, and I'll basically want my eyes, that's it, cinch that down, that's it, cool. Right, I'm going to do a fast laps, guys. This is going to be a long old walk, so I'm going, that's better. And as soon as I've done that, it stopped fucking raining. So I'm basically going to walk all the way down to there, south. So we're going up hills slightly. This is a lovely path, mate, isn't it? Oh yes, I love it. Right, catch you in a bit, guys.